Welcome to my study notebook. Today we are going to discuss a problem of coordinate geometry and how we can easily sometimes solve problem without actually having to calculate something. So here in this problem it talks about 2 points, that 3, 5 and 8, 5 are two of the vertices of a rectangle. Now the next question is, which of the following could not be another of the vertices? So from here we can understand that we have a rectangle for which we have 2 points. So if we imagine that one of them is 3, 5 and the other is 8, 5, in that case we have to identify what would be the other vertices, and from the following options given on the right we have to determine which one is the incorrect one, that is, which one could not be a possible vertex. So this problem can be easily solved without actually doing some mathematics, just having a common sense as to what the opposite coordinates could be. So since it's a rectangle, it means that these sides are parallel, and if we think or try to imagine them positioning in the x and y coordinate, we can identify these 2 points. So let us think that this is 3, 5, so it will be somewhere around here, and the other point 8, 5, which is 8th position in the x-axis and then 5th in the here. So either the rectangle, the other vertices of the rectangle could be upward like this, in which case it's in the positive y direction, or it could be downward. This is not drawn to the scale, but just trying to show you how the other vertices could lie in the negative direction of y. So depending on where the other vertices are, the y could be positive or negative, but from here we can see that the x position is always fixed. So the other vertices could be 3 minus y and 8 minus y, or if it's in the positive direction then it could be 8y and 3y. So now if we look back to the options that we have, we see that there's a 3 minus 5, which is possible, 8 minus 5, which is also possible, 3, 7 and 8, 8, all of them could be possible. But option E is the oddball because it starts with minus 3, and as we have seen that none of the x coordinates is going to be minus. So this is the option that we should choose. So by simply assuming what kind of value it could be, and based on the structure of the geometry, we can have an idea as to which point is the oddball.